Hello, I'm Adrian Crawford. Welcome to Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche. It's a Walkabout Wednesday. I did actually do one yesterday on the Wednesday, but it was windy and horrible, and so I've started again. Come with me, I've got some great stuff to show. We do have a couple people working in the workshop just to keep the wheels rolling here. Not as busy as usual, but the typical mix of moderns and classics. And this one, which is a Cayman, just turned up. It's a car we've supplied before. It's coming on sale soon. 14 plate and GT Silver, £10,000 worth of extras, so watch out for that. Now I'm going to take you swiftly through to the showroom. Oh, on the way, this one, 911 3.2, it's a backdate car, been using it myself, right hand drive, brilliant piece of kit, great fun. And this one, I've also been using this one, it's a 2.7S, right hand drive, really unusual car. Arrow blue, going to be turning up anytime soon. Up here, now these are on our brokerage. Now on this beautiful day I got a few of the cars outside because the showroom's actually shut to the general public, but let me show you some really nice ones. Got this 2.4T, it's a right hand drive car. 3 owners from new, very low mileage, done 58,000 original miles. It was journalist and motor racing legend Eon Young's car, originally for 23 years. Really nice car, and a better driving 2.4 you'd be hard pushed to find. The Super Sport we've sold. That was a good example of, don't worry about the distance, because we'll describe carefully, we'll do WhatsApp videos and give you a report. We grade all our cars, and so the end result of that is simply that if when you collect or we deliver it's not as described, we'll take it back home again. Beside it is a 98 Carrera 4, very low mileage car, 57,000 mile. If you look at it, it's actually an R reg, and here on the VIN, a W VIN. That means it's a 98 build. Now by that period, Porsche were already making the 996, so unusual car. We got a reservation on it. It's here on brokerage. I think we'll get that sold nice and swiftly now. This one's just come in for sale. 718. In slate grey, more about that in future. And we've got a monster of a Cayenne turbo with all sorts of modifications on it. Look at that carbon bonnet, it's over 600 horses, supposed to be 650. Goodness me, I couldn't even use them all because that thing. So here we go inside, looking a little bit empty, but we have had a big run. On the right, 991 GT3 PDK. It's got front lift, ceramics, half cage. It's got beautiful bucket seats. Let me show you, done 8,000 miles of one owner car. This one needs to find a new home and it's ready to be delivered right away. Now we do have delivery working nationwide, and the deal is, don't worry about the distance. We'll go through the details, we'll pick out everything that we can, we'll be really transparent with it, we'll get it delivered to your door, and if it's not the way we've described, we'll be bringing it back, no problem at all. But it's in our interest to be nice and clear. Beside it, a car that'd be easy to deliver and one that the Porsche dealers can't, is a all but brand new 992 PDK Carrera 2S. This one's done just over 170 miles. Now from the outside look very similar to 991s. From the inside, analog rev counter and the sort of flat dash panel, different switch gear look, more or less like a switch for the gear shift. Beautiful light grey leather, and the Porsche seats and interior finishes are really nice, and the crest and the head restraint. So this car is ready to deliver. Let's show you some others. I want to do something about that white 996 Turbo to my left, because that's a really special car. We've always got Boxsters. We've got a 69 that's special, a little 67.
Now here, this 911 SC is like the GT3 from 1980. We built it. It is super quick. It's light. It's a fantastic road car. It's a unique car. It's a car Porsche should have built in 1980. We've got this Italian in here. It's a beautiful 328 GTS. Low mileage, probably the best in the country. It's a right-hand drive car, completely authentic, just like a lot of our Porsche. It's all to do with condition on these, and this one has that in spades. Beautiful history, and everywhere you look, that car is immaculate. It's I've been quickly around the block with it, and it's a beautiful thing to drive, and it's just a work of art. Obviously I prefer Porsche, but I'm really happy to be helping someone, one of our great customers, be able to find a new home for his Ferrari. To the right is this Zanzibar Pearl GT3, and it's hiding a dark secret. It's got a 2009 Carrera Cup engine in it. It's got all the trick suspension, the big brakes, the trick gearbox, electric power steering. That is a wicked car. Now you'd think it would be some sort of race car, but it isn't. It's immaculate. Beside it, nice 996 Turbo. Up on the top there, a 67 911 in tangerine. Restored a little while ago by a company in America, and then it came to Germany. And the one I've just zoomed in on is a Carrera 2 manual 993, done 28,000 in Arena. I've had it before. Beautiful low mileage original Boxster 986 there in silver, a nice 996 Cabrio ideal for the summer. And we squeezed into the corner this Piaggio Ape or Bumblebee, and this is an ideal little promotional wagon. We're looking after it and selling it for one of our good clients. Doesn't take up much space and is exciting going round corners as a GT3. There's a Sportmatic, the RS, both those are off to the east. In the back is a 993 Cabrio, which we've sold, a 912, which we've sold. They actually put electric aircon in that 911 RS, and really successful that was. And the Sportomatic, we sorted out the gearbox because few people know how to deal with it. The RSR, I believe, is off to Germany. And this one beside me, I want to somehow like elevate this or focus on it because it's a really good car. It's a 86 911 Targa, what most people would call a super sport, but back then they were works turbo look. It's in garnet metallic. That is a really, really nice thing. It's had everything done to it. Engine, transmission, paint, trim, everything. It is lovely. That is a worthwhile car to put in your garage. Now let's just wander back down here past my favourite GT3. I love that. That is like tearing your trousers on barbed wire fence. It is brilliant. On the right there, 19,000 mile GT3 left-hand drive. Super nice clean car. And a few more spaces that we will try to fill. So thank you for watching this Walkabout Wednesday. We're working hard. It is a small crew. We hope that you enjoy your Porsche and that we appreciate any business that's coming our way. If you need help with anything, then do let us know and we will do our best.